So where we will use static means, see, for example, when the application is loading for first time, if you want to load some values, default values, like some application username and password, so that should be loaded from key vault or something, then what will happen? So those values should be loaded before, I mean, before any other request. So when you enter that URL, simply we need to get all those things. So what will happen? Those values won't change at any point of time. Okay. So that if the developer thinks that value won't change in future, or that is like constant value, then we'll go for the static concept. Okay. So for static variable, the memory will be, class will allocate the memory. Okay. So people see here, if you want to use static, if you want to use static class, if you are using the static methods, so how we can call the static methods means by using class name dot method name. I will show you here. And the memory will be allocated by class itself, that will be allocated in stack. Okay, so I will use ABC. We'll have one more method here. Okay, so see here. So I'm making this variable as static, static. Okay, now I will make this method as static. Now I will try to use static variable in static method, x equal to 10. So this is working. Okay. Similarly, try to use ABC. ABC equals to 20. This is not working. Right? Can someone tell me what is the reason for this? Yesterday I explained already. Yes, I'm waiting for the answer. So this is what our non-static method. So here try to use ABC. ABC equals to 20. So we are not getting any error. Now use x equals to 10. So here also we are not getting error. Yes. No answers from anyone. So why we are getting error here? Okay. Very good, Kiran. Very good. Okay, so people see here, I will tell. So yesterday I told you people like inside a static method, we need to use only static variables. So what is X here? It's a static variable. What is ABC here? Non-static variable. What is x here? It's a static variable. So that's why we cannot use non-static variables inside a static method, but we can use both static and non-static method inside our normal method or non-static method. So this is what we discussed. Now we will try to, so yesterday I was telling we cannot call static methods by using object. Then how can we call? Class name dot method name. See. And how to call the non-static method now? T1 dot add to. So for non-static methods, object name dot method name. That's why we called this one like that. And the static method we need to call by using class name dot method name. Okay, any questions? Okay. So note down this up to here. You guys done with that? Can I move to program? Yeah, please note down the program. No, Ajay, we cannot. So are you people done? So no one is responding. That's why I'm waiting. So we'll see a few examples on static. Okay, so here I have taken one class parent. Inside that I declared three variables static and three variables non-static. Okay, so inside static method I am using static variables because we need to use only static variables, and this is my non-static method, and I can use both static and non-static. That is why this ABC is what static variable, but I am able to use. So similarly here also. Okay, so Siva, I think you have uh, maybe minimum value or something. So no one else is having that issue, only you are having. Okay, so here this is again non-static method. So here also we can use both static and non-static methods. We are doing that, and I'm creating object and I'm calling this one object.div. So division method. So what is this division method here? So this is what non-static method, and this parent.add. So again this is what our static method. So that's why we are calling by using what class name. So if we run the output, both static and non-static will work similarly output wise and all, but there is some differences. That's it. Okay, this is what the program. So just note down, we'll see two more programs on it. Once everyone is done, please respond there, otherwise I don't know. So I'm giving time for you people, but you are not speaking or you are not informing me. How would I know? Yes. So how the static method will work? Similarly, the static class will work. So there we need to declare static variables. There we need to declare static methods and all. So why can't we use means? So that is the process. That is the see. There should be some difference between static and non-static method. So why can't we use means? I don't know. So that is the design of static method. So here in static method, we can use only static variables. That is what the concept. Why means no one will explain. So that the person who designed the framework, he may explain. So inside a static method, we can use only static variables. We cannot use non-static variables. Okay. So that's why we declare. So when we are using, if you try to use z equal to x plus y here, you will get error now. Oh my god. We'll copy this. That's better. See why it is coming, because this is not static variable. Okay. So see, there should be some difference between static and non-static methods. What is the difference? So this is the this is what so now I will tell so what is the difference between static and non-static methods? So simple. 2 points. In static methods, we can use only static variables. We cannot use non-static variables. Point number 1 is done. And second point, in non-static methods, we can use both static and non-static variables. That's it. Done. No one will ask anything on it. So now I will just explain what are different interview questions on static. So here, write this parallelly, and I will also keep the interview questions. First point, how to make a class or variable as static. I hope you people know the answer. Just keep static keyword. That's it. Okay. So what is the syntax for calling a static method? How we can call a static method? Okay. Now, what is the next question? Enter. What is the next question? How we can call static method? Tell me. What is the syntax for calling a static method? Very good. Class name dot method name. Very good. Very good. So this is what. Okay. So who will allocate memory to static variables? Very good. Class. What else then? What is the difference between static and non-static methods? Okay. So these are the questions. So I hope you people are clear with the static. Okay. Can we move to one more program? We have one more. Okay. So this is nice program actually. So constructor, static constructors. Okay, last program. Okay, so I have, that's why I have a few things written here. By seeing this one, you can answer all the questions. Okay, so first we'll go with the program, then I will show, we'll discuss these questions. Okay, I will remove the answers. Okay, people should answer everything. What is this? What is this program? So you are using in this void main. So that is not the method. So you need to declare inside a class, then try. Then you will get error. Okay. Okay. You try like this and tell me if you get the error, then we'll change our book and we'll ask Microsoft to change the concept also. Okay. So same int a equal to 5. Try here. Okay. Now use this a here. So like this we'll get error. Okay. Fine. So see the class level coding and this wide main related, both are different. So that's why initially when we are doing with that conditional statements and also we wrote our code here. Okay, but after this oops concepts we are doing here. Okay, fine. So let's see here. So people see here int day month year. So we kept a few variables here. So they are all static. After that, I took one non-static method, void something. So like our all our programs. After that, I took one method name. So yesterday I have shown a date time dot now. So similarly, day, month, year. I'm taking like date time dot now dot day, now dot month, year. So we'll get what I will get here. I will get today's date, and here I will get today's month, and here I will get today's year. Okay, so I took one more static method for displaying. So I want to display output like this: 0, 1, 2. In 0 place, I want day. In first place, I want month, and the second place, I want year. That's what I was thinking. And after that, here again, I created one object. So see this test method. Where is the test method? This one. So in this test method, this is a non-static method. That's why we are calling by using what object name dot method name. So this date is what class name. That's why date easy static method and display date both are static methods. Okay, let's run the program and see. See, we got the output. Okay, this is what This is what the first method, and this is what our second method. This is what date display. Any questions? So I will ask you questions now. Now everyone should answer here. I'm waiting for your answer. So first one, can we use static variable in non-static method? Yes or no? Can we use static variable in non-static method? The answer is yes. And the no people will get chocolates to their home. And now, can we use static variable in static method? Yes or no? Okay. This time everyone will get one chocolate. Yes, people will get chocolate, and yes, the answer is yes. Next question. Can we use non-static variable in static method? So think about it. Everyone is saying no. No. Seriously. Okay. I don't know, but we people are saying, that's why I'm keeping no. Okay. Can we use object for calling a static method? No. Yes. Some S are there. Okay. How to access a static method? How to access a static method? Class name dot method name. Very good. Very good. Excellent. The people understood very well, I hope. So everyone is answering. How to call a non-static method? Object name dot method name. So this is what the simply I can tell whatever we explained for 1 or 2 days on static. Yesterday and today we explained it. This is what the summary of that. Okay, just note down the program and those points also. That will help you guys when you go for interviews. Excellent, guys. I'm happy with the responses. If you people respond every day like this, then that will help me to explain more concepts, and that will help me to focus more on you guys. Okay, so just keep this one, keep like this. So just follow how you people are responding today. Every day I want you people to respond like this. Please write that commented lines also. That will definitely help you guys. SQL, Niladri. You see, when we are learning one Microsoft product, we need to learn all Microsoft products on it. That will be like interlinked. That's why.
Thank you, Amit, for that. Yes. So when you people understand, then only whatever I'm teaching, whatever I'm explaining, whatever I'm so all these things I have taken from different some programs I can write my own on my own, and I will also try for different programs, so that so different ways, so that will definitely help you guys for getting a job, or for clearing the interview, or for understanding the C sharp. So that's the reason. Okay, done. Sorry, I mean any name for this. Sir, please tell. No, see, this is just format only. Yes, Naveen, tell me what is your doubt? Yes.
Sir, in real time, how can we decide a static variable and a non-static variable, sir?
See, that's what. If you think the value won't change in future, then we'll go for static. Otherwise, we'll go with non-static.
No, that's okay, sir. And like writing a code or something in the project, so will they consider as like static or non-static like that, sir?
That's what I'm saying. When you are a developer, if you feel that values are fixed or something, then we'll go for static. Otherwise, we'll go with non-statical. Mostly, we'll go with non-static variables only. So some fixed values or some values, some keys. So if you want to get some keys from database, so those values always will be fixed. So if you get some values from web.config, so in that case, what will happen? They will be always the values will be fixed. For them, we will use static. So fixed means, see, for example, if a equal to 20, I have given. So we can change that to 30, 40, 50, any value, anything there. But if you think a equal to 20 always, then you can keep it as a static. Okay. Okay. So anyone have any more questions? Okay, fine. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.